Today, I'll show you how to use focus mode on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Now, focus mode is meant to help you concentrate on the task that you have at hand. If you're maybe doing a workout and you don't want your watch to constantly give you notifications if you've set to receive them, or if you don't want any distractions of any kind. So what you simply want to do is press the side button on your watch and then scroll through the apps list or apps menu and find this icon that has a tick on it. So tap on it, and as you can see, this mode is for focus. So now you can swipe through to see maybe the last focus session that you had, but to set or to use focus mode, you need to set the time that you want to focus. So by default it's set to 25 minutes, but you can tap on this option to set a duration that you really want to use. So maybe let's say if you want to focus for 45 minutes, you can set 45 minutes by using this scroller, then tap on the blue check mark to confirm. And now whenever you're ready to start your task, you can start focus mode. So to start focus mode, simply press the start button. You'll be notified that do not disturb is on during this session, so no notifications of any kind are going to come through. So tap on the blue check mark to confirm, and focus mode is going to start. Now during focus mode, you're not going to be notified even when you receive, even if you've set notifications to notifications on your watch, you'll not be able to receive them until this time elapses. Now this focus mode is going to end after the period elapses, but if you want to end focus mode early or pause it for a moment, you can tap on pause like that, and you can pause focus mode and maybe do something that you wanted to do, and then you can either resume like that, or you can tap on it and tap on the X icon to end focus mode. Now these are the stats for your focus mode. If of course you focus for longer, you'll be able to see the time here, and if you paused the focus mode, you'll be able to see the rest time or the time that you are not using focus mode displayed here as well. So tap on the blue check mark, and that's basically how to use focus mode on your Redmi Watch 5 Lite and on your Redmi Watch 5 Active. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, take care and God bless.